What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since the last update. For that I apologize, but today is a really good day. If you're watching this right now, it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. If you're not watching this on Thanksgiving, hope y'all have a wonderful holiday. The main reason I'm excited today is because I get to finally see Jax again for the first time in a week. So the time now is 7:45 a.m. I just got off work a couple hours ago. Normally I'd be asleep right now, but I'm way too excited because in about 45 minutes he will be here. And the reason it's been a week since he's been here is because holidays are around the corner. I needed some overtime money. So for the past 7 days I've been putting in 12 to 14 hour shifts, and I hate leaving him locked up all day for that long. So what I did was, instead of leaving him locked up, I went ahead and had a friend watch him for the whole week. So it was the first time that I've been away from him since I got him. It sucked, trust me, it sucked. It was really hard, but I'm excited because I finally get to see him and he finally comes home. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys that reaction. Hopefully he remembers who I am. But like I said, it's only been a week, so let's check it out. So it's Thanksgiving Day, and I even got Jax's little Thanksgiving plate. I didn't want to give him too much because, you know, I don't want to mess up his stomach. But he's got a little bit of everything. He's got some turkey, some mashed potatoes, some broccoli rice, a couple different stuffings, and some sweet potatoes. So let's see how he likes it. Want some food? Huh? Want some food, Jax? Food? Come on. Happy Thanksgiving, Jax. Happy Thanksgiving.